Award of maintenance for minor child and wife, till Iddat period. Financial position of ex-husband, maintenance increase every year. 2016 Seconds CMR 2069 Supreme Court of Pakistan. Present, Mian Saqib Nisar and Iqbal Hameedur Rahman, J.J. SHAHZAD YOUSAF, and others. Petitioners versus FARZANA SHAHZAD and others. Respondents. Civil Petitions Nos. 30L and 219L of 2015, decided on March 10, 2016. Against the judgment dated May 12, 2014, passed by the Lahore High Court, Lahore and W.Ps Nos. 31,371 of 2012 and 11,127 of 2013 Family Courts Act XXXV of 1964 17A, as inserted by the Family Courts Amendment Act She of 2015 and Sched. Pt. I award of maintenance for minor child and wife, till Iddat period. Annual increase of 10% in maintenance for minor, whether such increase was proper. Husband running a business and having good financial standing. Family Court found that the husband has admitted the factum of running a business and failed to substantiate that the business was in financial crisis. That on the contrary the wife produced oral as well as documentary evidence to substantiate that the husband had good financial position, that as such the husband was able to pay maintenance allowance at the rate of Rs 20,000 per month to the wife till her iddat, and to the minor at the rate of Rs 20,000 per month, with an annual increase of 10%. High Court, while maintaining the maintenance allowance to the wife as well as minor son at the rate of Rs 20,000 per month, each reduced the award of annual increase from 10 to 5%. Propriety conclusion arrived at by the Family Court by holding the wife till her iddat and minor son till his majority were entitled to maintenance allowance at the rate of Rs 20,000 per month, each with an annual increase of 10% to the minor, was quite justified taking into consideration the financial position of the husband. Moreover, by virtue of S17A of the Family Courts Act 1964, as substituted by the Family Courts Amendment Act She of 2015, the maintenance was to be increased at the rate of 10% each year. Supreme Court restored annual increase in maintenance for minor at 10. Petition for leave to appeal was disposed of accordingly. Ijaz Ahmad Janjua, Advocate, Supreme Court for Petitioners in CP 30L of 2015, Petitioner in person in CP No. 219L of 2015, Respondent in person in CP No. 30L of 2015, Ijaz Ahmad Janjua, Advocate, Supreme Court for Respondent No. 1 in CP No. 219L of 2015. Date of hearing, March 10, 2016.